Sometimes life does a complete 360 on you, and everything you believed in gets questioned. In those moments of self-doubt, there's a breakthrough. When things don't make sense, yet in a weird, ironic way, they make more sense than ever before. Have you felt that at all? It's been over a month since lockdown, and I'm hanging out here in my tiny studio apartment in Brooklyn. I mean, that's life, yeah? 1 minute you're traveling around the world, and the next you're confined inside a 12 by 12 box. No, for real though, just reflecting back to the places I've been and the people I've met has made me appreciate life so much more. And now, more than ever, I can appreciate simple things I've taken for granted, like giving someone a hug, or sharing a meal, or going to the movies, meeting someone and looking them in the eye, a wholesome handshake, or even, I don't know, a simple gesture saying thank you. Today is a new day, and thanks to the lockdown, what matters most to me is what I have to say without having to say it. It's finding that way to connect even when you're lost that connection. It's that itch to create when you've been so uninspired. In these moments of self-reflection and standstill, I've slowly started feeling even though I thought I was numb. I started finding a way even though I thought I was lost. I started giving back even when I thought I had nothing to give. Life's got a weird sense of humor, yeah? It holds back the most precious things for you. So when you finally find them, you truly find yourself.